Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our another video. And today we got here the 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. So we'll be doing full front end pen protection on this one. So on this video, I'm going to show you on how to tackle this bumper. So this bumper is pretty straightforward. So right here, as you have seen, I already laid down my film. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna line it up, make sure the film is flowed so it won't stick into the body. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and line up the film into my starting point, or can I say tacking point. So applying PPF is pretty much finding your tagging point. It's like connecting dots, like doing puzzle. So it's all about lining up, cleanliness. So here it is. I'm just gonna start it on this corner here. So it's gonna anchor the film on that area there, and then that will be my tagging point number 1. So and after that, I'm just gonna line up to my second corner, and this bumper right here, it's very straightforward. It's pretty easy. So just come along with our video for today. So when your next project, when you encounter this kind of bumper, it's going to be easier for you. So hope you guys likes our video for today, and give us a thumbs up. And if this is your first time to our channel, please do consider to hit the subscribe button. It helps us to make more video like this. So hope you enjoys our video. And yeah, I already anchored down my second point. So right now I'm gonna go ahead proceed to the third tacking point. So this one right here, I'm just gonna temporarily line it up to that edge there, and after I just gonna lift it back up. So yeah, it's pretty much lining up properly over to the edge. If you notice, after I squeegee, I always do my wipe. Always wipe down the area to make sure there's no water left behind. So here it is. So that will be my tacking point number 3 right there. So when I line up the edge, I always go a little bit further to the edge, 1 millimeter over. So afterwards, when it dries up, it just rub over the edge. So after that, I already lined up my tacking point number 3. So I'm gonna go proceed ahead, do my tacking point number 4. So my tacking point number 4 is that bottom corner right there, and the sensor. So I'm hitting 2 birds in 1 squeegee. So this bumper is done in 10 minutes. Alright, so after that, we already line up our tacking point number 4. So let's go ahead and finish the rest. Alright everyone, so I just gonna wrap up the video right here, and I also like to say thank you for everyone, each and every one of you to stay tuned up to the end. Thank you guys for watching, and wherever you are watching right now, have a great day and enjoy the rest of your day. So bye bye for now, and see you again on our next video. May the Lord Almighty bless you and keeps you.